Beautiful things come in an orange package today. I'm going to unboxing this Hermes Aloha. It has dust bag for each. There you go. It's in black color. Made in Italy. It's gorgeous and I'm so happy with this because I can use it for my beach holiday soon. So it's just perfect. Black is a safe color for any occasion. I will show you how it looks when I wear it.